In this video, I'm going to walk you through the materials prep for Lesson 10 of Unit B1 from Open Sci-Ed. Okay, this is a pretty easy lesson to get ready for. It's mostly just copies, and if you have a kit, some of the stuff would already be in there in the print that's provided. So the first thing you'll need is evaluating conservation plans. This looks similar to the one that's in Lesson 9. It actually confused me at first, but it actually has 2 extra pages. And so this is a new evaluating conservation plan handout. Each student will need one. This is conservation plan storyboards. There are 4 pages. Each page is for a different group. And so if you have, 4, let's say 8 groups, 2 of each profile, you'll need enough of the Everglades page 1 for your 2 Everglades groups. And this is reusable. You can put it in a plastic sleeve. You can reuse it from class to class. They'll of course need their progress trackers to complete this, but that's hopefully in their notebooks. Students will also need, just related to their own profile, a data packet. So you'll need enough Everglades data packets for the Everglades groups and Great Lakes data packets for the Great Lakes groups. Each student will need one of these as well. So both the conservation plan storyboards and the data packets are reusable. So just make enough for your largest class and the groups that you have in that class. Next, this is conservation presentation notes. Students are going to use everything that they figured out and everything that they put in this evaluating conservation plan, and they're going to make a presentation. They're going to make a group impact map. It's kind of like a flow chart. It's on page 3 of this evaluating conservation plan. So they're going to make a large copy to present. And so maybe a large whiteboard or chart paper or butcher paper or whatever you have that students can go up and make it big enough to present. You could actually even do maybe like a Google drawing and then project it on your projector. And so have the materials ready and decided on how you're going to do the group impact maps. And then as students present, they're going to complete this handout, these notes. And so each student will need one of these. It helps them to listen to what each other are saying, as well as, staying busy. All right, and then reviewing our driving question board. This happens at the end of the unit. And so this is a handout that supports students in picking out a few questions, looking if we've completely answered it, partially answered it. So it just gives a little more structure to review your driving question board. And that's about it. So some copies you can reuse, a couple you need to have per student, and then I would say decide if you want to do your driving question board this way and how you're going to do your map. Okay, good luck with Lesson 10.